Hi everybody, Leah Smith from The Profitable Practitioner. So today I want to talk about the importance of maintenance. Now, I've spoken about this in several different videos about people focus on these high-end treatment plans instead of the little stuff that most people actually need to come in for, because how many of your patients seriously continually need the high-end stuff? It's not that big a percentage, because if you are doing your job really well, they shouldn't be needing all this high-end stuff all the time. So when I teach people, I want you to be focusing on maintenance, because this is future generated bookings and profit into your business. This is really crucial, guys. I have built my six-figure business on maintenance, not high-end stuff. As most of you know, I'm an oral health therapist. I'm not a dentist, but I out-earn dentists that I work with, because my patients come back to me time and time and time again, regularly, for all their maintenance. And those appointments take me less time than the big stuff too. So think about how much production you've got in your appointment when you're doing the nice, simple maintenance stuff. This is missed by so many. They focus on all this high-end work, but that's short term. Think about what your long-term books look like. What's it going to be filled with? Those repeat customers time and time again, over and over again. So I want you to change your thinking a little bit. Yes, the high-end stuff is great, and when you need to do that, do it, and do it well. But you need to be focusing on maintenance. If you don't have one already, you need to get some sort of maintenance plan happening. If your patients aren't coming back, how are you making future profits? You're not. So this is a massive part of your business and business building. So you need the KLT, you need to be building those relationships so they want to come back. You need to be emphasizing the importance of it. You need to be emphasizing benefits for your patient. So this is how you get them coming back time and time again. And because they know, like, and trust you, they're going to do it, because they want to please you, and you want to please them by making sure their experiences are simple and easy and affordable. So start focusing on your maintenance patients. How can you get them back in? If you don't know, go and head over to my website, profitablepractitioner.com.au, where I've got my profit platform releasing very, very soon. And in there's a whole section on that in my course. So if not, check out my book, grab it on my website as well. And maintenance, guys, this is how you're going to make your long-term income sustainable, not the high-end procedures. So change that thought processes, and I can't wait to see you in my next little video. And like, comment, and share. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.